job. Nightmares about that freaking sewer. How can you run with these shoes on?
Kelly, come play with the dog. Hey, hello.
This is Callie.
Callie, he's cool. Or she's cool.
She's a funny dog.
She is a funny dog. Who wants to throw?
Me.
Oh, sorry, it's her turn.
Hey, buddy, what's up? Been a while. Yeah. How you doing?
Okay, I'm a little worried about the little one. Where do you think she went?
Oh, she went around the deck to get inside. I'm sure they let her out.
Okay.
There.
Okay. She's on the back of it? Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, hello. Your turn. Mm-hmm. Hello, Callie. I think he wants me, or she wants me to. Try to throw it like a frisbee so it goes farther. There you go. Look at that. Oh, are you okay? I think you're okay. That was a pretty easy fall. That was only a dog fall. Come here, sweetie. You're okay. Come here. Oh, you're okay. Kiss, kiss. Here, watch the video. Watch, you can video. I'm videoing you guys. See? There's Callie. I'm gonna give it to you later. Isn't that cool? Do you feel better now? Hi, Callie. See? So we go and watch, see? And then we go and pin. There she is. Back, see? Cool, huh? Ah.
I'll see you again.
Well, I'm still filming. So you wherever you go, you film. See? I'm filming right in real time. See, now I'm filming you. You can't see you though. You did?
And there's little green things coming up.
Cool.
My turn.
Up, go this way. She's still on the porch?
She's fine. There's a couple sets of eyes on her. Found this smaller level.
Okay.
And I told her not to go towards the stairs. She's being pretty good about it.
I'm sorry, what?
I told her not to go near the stairs, and she's being pretty good about it.
Oh, good. Okay.
I think she's alright. My friend Nick's in there. He has 5 kids.
Huh?
My friend Nick's sitting in there, and he has 5 kids, so
Oh,
he
perfect.
can't help but keep his eyes on
Nice.
children. Lucy, come here and look at what we planted before I left. What's coming up? Look at this. You know, all this is going to be...
You got a cool garden, huh?
Yeah, it's not that big, but I just plant so much, like stack it up, and it turns into a freaking jungle. Like it feeds us for like 3 months.
Awesome.
Pretty cool, yeah. These are going to be, you know, the little green beans, the snap ones, the peas. All of these are going to be green beans. And what are these going to be? Carrots.
What are you putting in the bottles?
Oh, I just use them for markers.
Oh, cool.
Just so I know what's where.
Weird.
Yeah, really weird.
Huh.
I guess our winter was nothing, but...
Ow!
What's the matter?
I just got a splinter.
Uh-oh. What do you want to do?
I have a splinter in my foot.
How did you
Okay.
get a splinter through those shoes?
I think through the side. Come here.
Lucy, you know what these are?
Oops, Lucy.
The flowers they eat. See that? That's gonna be flowers that you eat. So,
You can't pick them up.
no, and you can't dig in the garden now that we planted it, right? They'll throw the stuff in it.
No. It's not for the fire.
What's it for?
It's for Grandpa.
McKenna grew a garden this year.
Yeah?
No, look at all that
It's
sand.
pretty cool. Should I try with her last year? She just didn't get it, but this year she was so excited.
Yeah.
As soon as I got home,
Ow, the
Mom, the
splinter
flowers,
is
they're coming up, the plants, they're coming up.
Oops, I'm sorry, sweetheart. What do we want?
I got a
Oh, you want us to
splinter.
get that? Okay, hold on. Let me get that for you.